World Liberty Financial's dollar-backed stablecoin, USD1, has been listed as a primary liquidity asset on Bybit. This marks a strategic integration for the stablecoin, which is now eligible as collateral across margin trading desks, institutional lending facilities, and crypto loan products on the exchange. Alongside the listing, Bybit has introduced a yield incentive program that allows USD1 holders to earn daily WLFI token rewards from a 45 million token prize pool, with potential returns of up to 20% APR. The move signals growing institutional and retail adoption of USD1, which is backed by cash and short-duration U.S. Treasury bills, with reserves managed by BlackRock and custodied by BitGo Trust Company. The stablecoin was launched on Ethereum and BNB chain in March 2025 and reached a market capitalization above $4 billion by April 2026, positioning it among the fastest-growing stablecoins of the year. The WLFI token, which serves as the governance and investment token for the ecosystem, was initially non-transferable but became tradable in July 2025. The Bybit listing follows previous USD1 trading pair expansions on Binance and Coinbase, where users can trade BNB USD1, ETH USD1, and Sol USD1 across active spot markets. The inclusion of USD1 on these major exchanges is part of a broader plan by World Liberty Financial to expand the reach of its stablecoin technology to both institutional and retail users globally. The yield program on Bybit introduces a new mechanism for USD1 holders to earn passive income, potentially increasing. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Demand for the stablecoin. This could have ripple effects across the broader WLFI token ecosystem, where the token is used for governance and investment purposes. The integration of USD1 into Bybit's core financial infrastructure suggests a growing acceptance of the stablecoin in the crypto market, which could lead to increased usage and liquidity. The stablecoin's custodial and reserve structure, managed by BitGo and BlackRock, adds a layer of institutional credibility, which may appeal to both retail and institutional traders seeking stable, dollar-backed assets. The yield program is not the first instance of USD1 being used in reward systems. World Liberty Financial has previously distributed WLFI tokens to users who earn points by trading USD1 pairs on partner platforms. This suggests a broader strategy of incentivizing USD1 adoption through token-based rewards. The WLFI token's transition to a tradable asset in July 2025 also opens up new opportunities for investors to participate in the ecosystem. The Bybit listing could serve as a catalyst for further adoption of USD1 and WLFI across multiple platforms. The next signal to watch is whether USD1's listing on Bybit leads to increased trading volume and liquidity across the stablecoin's ecosystem, and whether other major exchanges follow suit with similar integrations. The stakes are clear. As USD1 gains traction as a reliable dollar-backed stablecoin, its integration into key financial infrastructure could redefine how traders and investors interact with stable assets in crypto. The yield program introduces a new dynamic where passive income becomes a tangible benefit for holding USD1, potentially attracting a broader user base. Meanwhile, the tradability of WLFI adds a new layer of utility and value capture for participants in the ecosystem. As more platforms adopt USD1 and introduce reward mechanisms, the token's usage could expand beyond just a stablecoin to a broader financial instrument. The next key signal will be how USD1 performs in terms of trading volume and liquidity on Bybit, and whether the yield program successfully drives increased adoption and usage of the stablecoin. If other exchanges follow suit with similar integrations, it could further solidify USD1's position as a leading stablecoin in the market. The success of the WLFI token will also. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Depend on how effectively it can be used within the ecosystem for governance and investment purposes, as well as how it performs in the open market following its transition to a tradable asset. In the broader context, the integration of USD1 into Bybit's infrastructure reflects a growing trend of institutional-grade stablecoins being adopted across major crypto platforms. This trend could have lasting implications for the stability and growth of the crypto market, as more traders and investors seek reliable, dollar-backed assets to manage risk and facilitate transactions. The combination of institutional-grade backing, yield incentives, and growing exchange adoption positions USD1 as a strong contender in the stablecoin space, with the potential to influence market behavior and user adoption in meaningful ways.